In this tutorial, we're going to cover assignments and variables. So basically, a variable is just another name for a value that you want to store, and this is useful because you can manipulate it and store that manipulation or overwrite it. So some of the syntax is going to be different from what you're familiar with. So in Python, we state equivalence with double equals signs. So if I say 8 double equals 8, then I get true. But an assignment would be something like a equals 50, in which when I run this cell, I don't get any output because all I've done is told the interpreter that I want to store some variable a, and I'm going to give it the value of 50. So if I make a new cell, I could say a plus 40, run it, and it gives me the output as if it were normal with our old Python math tutorial. Okay, so that's just basically the same thing as saying 50 plus 40. So how the assignment works is not like the equivalence statement in mathematics. So if I say a equals a plus 1, that might sound ridiculous if you haven't really done any computer programming. But when I run this, now I'm going to make a new cell, and I say a. Then it says 52. Oh, that must be because I ran it twice. So now if I run this old cell again, a plus 1, then I'm going to get 53. And I could just keep doing this. So that is one weird way that variables work. So basically, when we use this, the assignment, the equal sign, Python resolves the right side of whatever's on the equals side first, and then says set all of that equal to whatever's on the left side. So it's not the same as you're familiar with in math, probably. A couple weird things about variables. You can't set something like 74 monkeys equals a. This isn't going to work because I've started my assignment with a with an integer. So that's not allowed. Yeah, I can have integers afterward. Monkeys 74 equals a. That's fine. And then later on I say print monkeys 74. And it's 54 because that's what a was the last time. Notice that these aren't updating all the time. So if I say a equals a plus 1, I run that cell, and then I say print monkeys 74, it's still set to the old value of a. Now, if I change a again, and I get a equals 55, then I can print monkeys 74, which is equal to a. Actually, it hasn't been reassigned yet. That was my bad. But if you reassign monkeys 74 to a, and then I say print that, then I get the new updated version of a. So you really have to be careful tracking when you run certain cells or when you tell Python that you're making new variables, because they do affect each other in terms of the flow of execution, which we will talk about in an upcoming video.